Hey guys, we're here today at a brand new dealership we just got done installing not too long ago. Come take a walk with me. We want to show you some cool features and benefits that we put together for this particular dealer. Windshield racks. So what you're going to do is take your windshields and lay them long ways through here. We did a molding rack. You have all of your high density drawers. Perforated end panel, great for hanging belts and wipers, things of that nature. Great example of the product and the ability it has to turn from a mini racking unit tied directly into a shelving unit. We implemented transition teardown benches. These are two-man built-in workbenches.